Hey everyone, welcome back. I am so thrilled you're joining us for another explainer. Today, we're decoding the classic debate, dealership service versus independent experts. And to really dig into this, we're looking at a fascinating case study from our source material on Autoscope, which is a highly renowned European auto care center in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You know, when you own a marvel of precision engineering, how you maintain it is honestly just as important as how you drive it. So let's dive right in and see exactly how that plays out. So here is the pivotal question every high-end luxury vehicle owner inevitably faces. Where exactly do you take a Bentley when it needs a fix? You've invested heavily in this piece of automotive excellence, and handing over the keys can be seriously anxiety-inducing. Do you just default to the dealership, or is there a smarter, more efficient route to get that exact same level of specialized care? Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to look at 1. The luxury service dilemma, 2. The Autoscope alternative, 3. Busting the warranty myth, 4. Specialized Bentley care, and finally, 5. The Autoscope advantage. All right, let's jump straight into section 1, the luxury service dilemma, and really, the pain of dealerships. If you're a busy professional navigating a demanding career or a parent juggling a crazy schedule, time is absolutely your most valuable asset. When we look at the source material analyzing luxury auto service, a huge contrast emerges. Traditional dealership experiences are often full of frustrations, long wait times, getting hit with random sales pitches when you just want an oil change, and those seemingly deceptive coupons that somehow still end up costing a fortune. On the flip side, specialized independent shops are built around quick turnarounds, totally transparent pricing, and a customer-first approach that actually respects your time. Which brings us to section 2. The Autoscope alternative and dealership capabilities. The core value proposition highlighted in our research here is beautifully simple but incredibly difficult to pull off. It's about providing the exact same capabilities you'd find at the dealer, but totally stripping away the sales pitch. We're talking about having factory-trained technicians delivering dealership-level quality, but with their focus entirely on fixing the car in front of them, not trying to sell you a new one. And to actually back up that claim, an independent shop needs some serious infrastructure. Looking at Autoscope's setup, they operate across Plano and Dallas with a team of certified European car techs. But the hardware is where it gets really cool. They use the exact same factory-level diagnostic tools as the dealership. They even use these custom fabricated vehicle lifts. Why does that matter? Because those specific lifts are designed to completely eliminate any risk of impact or stress on your luxury vehicle's undercarriage. That is a serious level of attention to detail. Okay, let's transition to section 3, busting the warranty myth and knowing your consumer rights. This might just be the most important part of our whole explainer because we hear this all the time. People ask, if I take my brand new Bentley to an independent shop for an oil change or brake job, am I going to instantly void my expensive factory warranty? The dealership ecosystem honestly benefits a lot from this lingering fear. But have you ever heard of the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act? It turns out it's an actual federal law specifically designed to protect you. It explicitly prevents vehicle manufacturers from voiding your warranty simply because an independent, non-dealership shop performed your routine maintenance. So the absolutely crucial takeaway here is super empowering. Your Bentley warranty remains completely intact provided 2 specific conditions are met. First, the work must meet exact factory specifications, and second, the shop has to use the appropriate factory-approved parts. Because shops like Autoscope document every single service to those exact standards, your investment is legally protected. You are absolutely not trapped at the dealership. Let's get into the technical side with Section 4, Specialized Bentley Care, covering everything from W12s to air suspension. It's one thing to know you can go to an independent shop, but you need to know they actually have the chops to handle modern British engineering. Bentley's lineup today is incredibly diverse. We're talking everything from ultra-luxury Bentayga SUVs to Continental GTs and Mulsannes. A real expert can't just know older V8s. They have to master those legendary W12 engines, and even the complex hybrid powertrains in the newer models. Our source material indicates Autoscope's factory-trained techs possess exactly this breadth of diagnostic capability across the entire modern Bentley spectrum. So how often do these machines actually need care? The standard baseline is usually every 10,000 miles or once a year. But here is a critical takeaway for luxury owners. Many Bentleys are weekend cars that just sit in climate-controlled garages. Even if you aren't hitting those mileage markers, annual service is absolutely vital. Fluids inherently degrade over time, and rubber seals will dry out and crack if they're not maintained. A true expert builds a custom maintenance schedule based on how you actually drive the car, not just what a generic manual says. And beyond oil changes, independent experts have to handle high-level, complex systems. Take air suspension repair, which is notoriously tricky on a Bentayga or Continental GT. A dealership might just tell you to replace the entire system, but a specialized shop will actually dive in to diagnose if it's just the compressor, a single strut, a valve block, or maybe just a simple air leak. They avoid expensive guesswork entirely because guessing with Bentley parts is a really fast way to empty your wallet. They also offer rigorous pre-purchase inspections, which can literally save you thousands by uncovering hidden issues before you buy a used one. This brings us to our final section. Section 5, the Autoscope Advantage, where we look at the proof and the perks. Check out this number right here, 40. That represents over 40 years of experience Autoscope has amassed specifically working on European cars. In the fast-paced world of automotive tech, staying relevant and trusted in a community for 4 decades is a massive indicator of consistent quality and deep-rooted expertise. And they connect those 40 years of experience directly to this next number 3. They back their labor with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. According to the data, that's actually one of the longest warranties offered by any independent European shop in the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area. They truly put their money where their mouth is. But it's also about those concierge perks that make the whole experience seamless. It's about transparency, getting a written estimate before any work even begins, so there are absolutely zero surprises when it's time to pay. That peace of mind is huge. Plus, they offer a free Monday through Friday shuttle service. And since it's a luxury car, they make sure it's returned to you with a courtesy hand wash and vacuum after every single service. It's the dealership luxury treatment, just minus the dealership headache. And you don't even have to just take their word for it. With over 1,500 reviews across their locations, that level of intense community trust and positive feedback from a highly discerning client base just proves that this model works. You truly can get factory-level care independently. So, I want to leave you with this final thought as we wrap up today's explainer. If federal law completely protects your warranty, and you can get the exact same diagnostic tools, decades of experience, better warranties, and zero sales pressure from an independent expert, why settle for dealership fatigue the next time your luxury vehicle needs service? It might just be time to rethink how you maintain your masterpiece. Thank you so much for joining me today, and keep exploring.